Good morning friends, I am Montu Ghorui and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I will be comparing for germination of seeds of adenium. That seeds of adenium we have collected a few days back, and these are the seeds I have collected around 2 weeks back. These are very fresh, and now I am going to show them 3 media I will use and I will compare here. This is the coco peat only, plain coco peat. And second one is the mixture of no soil that contains some of the compost, coco peat and many of these non-soil media, perlite also. This is the second media, and third media I will using only the construction river sand. This is the construction river sand or Bajri, and I will compare here. And before we start here, I will take out some of the fungicide, contact and systemic fungicide SAAF. I will mix it here so that no fungal attack can occur here. Just see, these are the seeds now ready to be distributed, and before that I am spraying some water. Let the water soak, and I will sow the seeds here. Let the water soak. Before that I am showing you here, this is the sand media only. Distributing the seeds here, evenly distribute the seeds so that they can get enough space to grow. This is the sand media, and we will compare which one is the best media to grow. And this is no soil media. This is only coco peat. Let's see which one gives the best result in seed germination of adenium seeds. And once they are distributed properly, we will cover them with the same soil media that we are growing here. So this is all. Now I am going to cover it with the same soil media here. This is the coco peat only. And this is no soil. And third one is river sand, construction river sand. Once the seeds are properly distributed, now again water it lightly. So we will keep them under semi-shade area for germination, and it will take around 5 to 6 days. Normally it takes 5 to 6 days to germinate. So keep watching. And after, welcome back friends. After 1 month of sowing the seeds of this adenium, now the results I am showing. These are all grown in only in coco peat. Beautiful grown, and these are the all around more than 1 inch of height. These are the plants of around 1 inch of height. And this is the plants you see. These are the plants here, cocopeat. And this is all the non-soil media that is commercially available, non-soil media, soil. These are also nicely grown. And those plants I have grown in sand also. They have nicely grown. But sand result is slightly better. But I tell you, the results are equally good in only sand or in non-soil media or in cocopeat. You can grow in any media you can use. All the results are almost same. So you can use either cocopeat or non-soil media or in sand. This is the results total. Now I am going to transplant the pot here. This is the small pot, around 2-inch pot here, and just at the base I am giving some red sand. This is river sand at the base for nice percolation of water or drainage of water. And soil mix here I am taking. These are the mixture of crushed brick, and some are bone dust, and some are mixtures of river sand, and these are the mixtures of perlite, and these are cocopeat. These are 5 or 6 items mixed here. This is the nice growing media for your small seedlings of and third one I am taking it out from here, from the base. This is grown in river sand only. Gently push with your fingers here. And these are the plants. Now time to water it. Keep them under semi-shade for around a couple of days, and after that you can take it out to the open sunlight. So these are the Adenium. They love sunlight, and they are accustomed to grow in the desert condition, dry conditions. So these are the best all the growing of the Adenium from the seeds. So hope you enjoy the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.